Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. Now in this session we are going to discuss two important concepts from the surface chemistry. Number one, emulsions. Number two, gel. Emulsions. Number two, gels. Emulsion. Number two, gels. So what is the meaning of emulsion? Emulsion, see carefully. The dispersions of finely divided liquid droplets in a immiscible liquid dispersions medium is defined as the emulsion. So somewhat difficult definition, but can you understand easily? Try to understand the easily. So the dispersions of the finally divided liquid droplets. So the dispersions of the finally divided liquid droplets in a immiscible liquid dispersion medium is defined as emulsion. Is defined as the emulsion. So generally in emulsion, one of the liquid is water and other is a liquid in immiscible with water, generally oils. Ipo oil water is combination is a emulsion. So two liquids are there. One of the liquid is not completely soluble into the another liquid, but that is called emulsion point. So that's why it is a dispersions finely divided liquid droplets in a immiscible liquid dispersions medium is defined as emulsion. Generally in emulsion, one of the liquid is water and the other is liquid immiscible with water, generally oils. Generally oils. Now another example, when a mixture of water and oil is shaken thoroughly, an emulsion is formed. So emulsion means if the two solutions are there, one solution is not completely soluble, it is present in the surface of the another liquid. So generally the best example, when a mixture of water and oils is taken thoroughly, or emulsion is formed. An emulsion is the formed. Emulsion is the formed. And one more example, milk is a naturally occurring emulsion in which the liquid fat is disappeared into the water. Liquid fat disappear into the water. So milk is generally, normal milk is generally one of the best examples of emulsion. One of the best examples of emulsion. So milk is naturally occurring emulsion because of in which the liquid fat is disappeared in the water. Normally in the milk some fats are there. That fats are generally disappear into the water. That's why milk, the mixture of oil and water also the best examples of the emulsion. Best example of the emulsion. And one more example, milk liquid fat in water, vanishing cream fat in water. Milk liquid fat in water, vanishing cream fat in the water. இது எல்லாமே emulsion category தான். எல்லாமே emulsion categories. The most important point, emulsion category. But now oil in water type of emulsion. Generally it is not mentioned here. Listen orally. Oil in water type of emulsion. If the disappeared phase is oil and the dispersion medium is the water, it is called oil in water emulsion, O by W emulsion. So in the oil water emulsion category, if the disappeared phase is the oil and the dispersion medium is the water, it is called oil in water emulsion. Milk vanishing cream are also example. That is called oil in water type of the emulsion. And one more emulsion enna water oil emulsion. So water oil emulsion, in this the dispersed phase is water and dispersion medium is the oil. Greases, cod liver oil, cold creams, butter and creams are best examples of the water oil emulsion. Water oil emulsion. And another example, stiff greases, water in the lubricant oils. Water in the lubricants oils, that is called stiff greases. Cold liver oil, cod liver oil, not cold, cod liver oil. Water in the cod liver oil, it is not mentioned here, but listen orally. So cod liver oil, water in the cod liver oil, and cold cream, water in the fat. Water in a fat. These are the different type of the emulsions, the combinations with water and oil, cod liver and water in the lubrications of the oils elame. So the third substance added in small amount is emulsion, kept emulsion stable is known as the emulsifier or emulsing agent. So cold cream with fat that is commonly special name is the emulsifying agent. So the best examples of emulsifying agent: soaps, egg album, solid mercuric iodide, graphite powder, gelatin, etc. For corrosion in water emulsion, soap is the emulsifier. For a olive oil in the water emulsion, egg album is the emulsifier, and solid mercuric iodide is the emulsifier for water in the benzene emulsion. And soap emulsifier is the best examples of oil and water type of emulsion. Casein and silica emulsion oil in water is one of the another important example. Soaps and graphite powder act as an emulsifying agent for both type of the colloids. So the emulsion reduces the surface tension on the side of the liquid and this roll into the droplets. The emulsifying agent form an interfacial film between the suspended particle and the medium. The principal emulsioning agent for the oil and water emulsions are proteins, gums, natural and synthetic soaps, etc. So for water and oil emulsions, heavy metal salt of the fatty acid, long chains of alcohol, lamp black, etc. So the droplet in the emulsions are often charged and can be precipitated by the electrolytes. They also show Brownian movement and Tyndall effect. Now we are going to discuss the emulsion applications. So there are different type of the applications are available in the emulsion point of view. The first one is emulsion can broken into the constitute of liquid by the heating, freezing and centrifuging, etc. So applications of emulsion. Now the first point is in washing process of cloths and crockeries, in the digestions of the fat in intestines, a little amount of the fat in the intestine form a soap with alkali solutions of intestine. The soap emulsion the rest of the fat. So it is considered actually a little amount of the fat in the intestine form the soap with alkali solutions of intestine. The soap emulsions that rest of the fat, rest of the fat. Also lotions, creams and ointment in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic area, it is also best emulsion. It is also best emulsion as drugs of oil type in the form of the emulsion to facilitate their easy absorption. This is the second important application method of the emulsion. In the metallurgical process, the concentrations of the ore, it is not mentioned here, orally listen. In the metallurgical process, the concentrations of the ore is carried out through emulsification process. In the conversions of cream into the butter by charring, that is breaking of the emulsion of fats into the water. In natural oils, wells, oils and water form emulsions. Hence, de-emulsification is the necessary. These are the major important applications for the emulsion. Now, gels. It is another last and final concept from the surface chemistry. Gel. A gel is a colloidal system in which a liquid is dissipated in a solid. The process of gel formation is called gelatation and the colloidal system formed is called gel. Gels are classified into two different type of. Number one, elastic gel, non-elastic gels. Elastic gel, non-elastic gels. Elastic gel enna, these are the gels which possess the property of elasticity. So best example is gelatin, agar-agar, starch, etc. Non-elastic gel, these are the gels which are rigid and do not have the properties of elasticity. Example, silicon gel. And liquid rich system are known as the jellies. Gels too are unstable and stabilized by the gelating agent. Example, gelatin. Some remarkable properties of gels are synerils or weeping of gels and imbibition of the swelling, thioxtropy of the melting of the touch, periodic preparation. These are ellame different type of the gels. Now we are going to discuss industrial applications of the colloids. So industrial application, what are the major important uses in the industrial point of view? The first one, purification of drinking water. First one is the purification of drinking water. I mentioned here only 5, but I clearly explained more than 6 or 7 applications in the industrial point of view. Because of only reason, the board is not sufficient space. So purification of drinking water by adding alum, the suspended impurities in water are coagulated and removed. It is the best example of the colloid in the industrialization. So by adding alum is the one of the chemical, it is remove of the impurities from the water. So electrical precipitations of the smoke. So Cottrell's precipitator, smoke carry negative charge and is removed by the principle of electro forces in the Cottrell precipitate. After, in warfare, what is the uses of the colloidal solution in warfare? Animal charcoal is used in a gas mask to absorb the poisonous gases, smoke screens or titanium oxide particle disappear in the air. It is also very important application in the warfare concept point of view. In the warfare, how the colloidal solutions or colloidal particles are helpful na. Animal charcoal is used in the gas mask. Animal charcoal is used in a gas mask to absorb the poisonous gases. Smoke screens are titanium oxide particle disappear in the air. Next next one, sewage disposal. It is a passed through big tanks fitted with electrodes. The colloidal particle loses their charges and settle down and removed. And next one, electroplating of the rubber. So it is a best example, best application in the industrial point of view, colloidal solution. It's called electroplating of the rubber. Latex is the colloidal suspensions of the negatively charged rubber particles. In water and can be deposited on the metal by the electroforces. And next one is artificial rain. The first one, artificial rain. So clouds are the aerosols. Water disappear in the air. So clouds are aerosols. Water disappear in the air. Aggregates of the particles of water causes the rainfall, which can be artificially achieved by the throwing electrified sand or AgI, silver iodide on clouds and causes the artificial rain. And silver iodide has the similar crystal structure as that of the ice. This is the another important point of the charcoal applications method. In everyday life, blood, milk, butter, cheese, clothes, shoes, all are the colloidal system. In medicinal point of view, colloidal medicines are easily absorbed and assimilated. Hence are widely used. Colloidal antimony is effective medicine for the Kala-Azar. Blood is coagulated by ferric chloride. Colloidal solutions of argyrol and protagrol are used high lotions. Okay ma. Next, in the nature, blue color of the sky, tails of comets are due to the scattering of light. Formations of deltas in the rivers is due to the coagulations of the negatively charged sand particles by Na plus, Mg2 plus, etc. present in the sea water. And another property is not mentioned but orally explained, photographic plates and the films. So photographic plates or films are prepared by the coating and emulsion of the light sensitive silver bromide in the gelatin over glass plates or celluloid film. Blue color of the sky, dust particle along with water vapor suspended in the air scatter blue light which reaches our eye, and hence the sky looks blue to us. And fog, mist and rain. When a large mass of the air containing dust particle is cooled below, it is a dew point. The moisture in the air condensation on the surface of this particle forming the droplets. This droplet being colloidal in the nature continue to the float in the air in the form of the mist or fog. Clouds are aerosol having small droplets of water grow bigger and bigger in the size till they come down in the form of the rain. Sometimes the rainfall occur when two oppositely charged clouds meet. It is possible to the causes artificial rain by throwing the electric field sand or spare solution carrying the charge opposite to the one of the cloud from an aeroplane. And blood, it is an colloidal solution of albuminide substance. The styptic actions of alum and ferric chloride solution is due to coagulations of the blood formation, a clot with stop for the bleeding. So these are the important applications of the entire industrial colloidal solution. In my next class, right now I successfully completed the entire surface chemistry. In the next class, last chapter, chemical kinetics. Tomorrow we will start the chemical kinetics. Tomorrow we will start chemical kinetics chapter. Okay, ma'am?